Every time someone buys this offer, you make roughly $189, and you need about 4 sales per day to make $22,000 in a month on just a product. And to begin, this product has a good gravity score, and that shows that the product is doing well. So the question is, how do you get started? If you are a total beginner and you are looking for a way to start making money on ClickBank affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. This is probably the best affiliate marketing video you will ever see online because of its simplicity and effectiveness. This is the same strategy I use to drive traffic to my affiliate links. In my previous video on affiliate marketing, I get questions like, Christine, how do I drive traffic to my affiliate link? Well, today I'm going to show you a powerful website that will help you drive a lot of valid traffic to your affiliate offer. And for this strategy to work, we'll be using only free traffic sources. And that way, you don't need to worry about running ads or having a website. And if you noticed, there is a big change in the marketing trends, and you will notice that video marketing is taking over other marketing strategies. And this is where it gets even more interesting. But we are going to be doing something a bit different. Don't worry, you aren't creating any videos yourself, and neither does it require you to have any subscribers. I'm going to show you how to get this content out there in the easiest ways and how to get the most traffic to your affiliate offer. As you can see here, this is the same method that I use on my Facebook page. I use this strategy to drive traffic to my affiliate offers, and I am getting a lot of traffic from this strategy. As you can see, there's a spike here where I have gotten a lot of views. Let's take a look at the TikTok page. You see this guy up here. He's making approximately $2,000 every day. What these guys basically do is give tips on how to take care of your dogs and getting hundreds of thousands of views without much stress from editing the video. They are using the content to generate TikTok revenue, affiliate commissions, e-commerce, and to grow their YouTube channel, and that will lead to more revenue from YouTube. So TikTok is like the backbone of the business. It's really easy to go viral on TikTok, and then you can spread across all other channels to 10 times your revenue. And this is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. But before you get started with this strategy, you need to choose your affiliate marketing platform. And ours is ClickBank. However, this works well with all other affiliate platforms such as Digistore, Max Bounty, OfferVault, and the like. And then you will need to choose that $1 million niche. In my case, the pet niche, it is because it has a large audience, mostly from Europe, and 75 of pet lovers are buyers. Now, how do you get started with this? It's very simple. We are going to head over to this website that I recently discovered. It's syllabi.io, and what it basically does is tell you what's trending in your niche and generates relevant topics suitable for Reels. All that you are required to do is input your keywords for the content, and the AI will do the rest. But it does come with a price, and I know that as a beginner, you just might not be ready for commitment, so you want to head over to ChatGPT to help suggest topic ideas in the pet niche and also write a script on the topic. And there you go. Just input this prompt and ensure you get the best of ChatGPT. I had also gone ahead to request a video script in a well-known pet writer style. You might need to play around with the writing in order to get the best. Now that we have several topics to work with, we aren't going to run out of content, at least not anytime soon. We have our topics and scripts without lifting a finger. Here comes the most important step. You will need to pay attention to this part because this is how you get to create an eye-catching video that will make you some cool cash. We already have a script. Now we need to generate a video. Over to Pictory.ai. You might need to sign up for an account if you haven't. This is one of the best text-to-video software out there, but it's not limited to that. When you are signed in, you'll be brought up to this interface. As you can see, it does have some great features, and you might want to check out its features for your next project. And there you are, required to select the feature you want. So right now, we'll select script to video. To proceed, there you go. Now copy and paste our generated script and click on the highlight button. Then click on proceed. Now I will scroll down to choose my template and click on select, then choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, then continue. So we're going to wait for it to generate our video storyboard in just a sec. And there you go. As you can see, our video is ready, but we need to adjust it a bit. This text here seems clumsy, but with just a click, you can have it in a new scene. You place your cursor where you want it, then click the Enter tab. That was easy. You can always inspect the scenes and make sure they align with what is said in the script. You don't want to be talking about a running dog or a happy dog and the scene shows a crying girl. That will be so unprofessional. So if you need to change your scene, just click on the visual button. And look at that. You've got a lot of footage to work with. I'm just going to click here on the video I want and boom, I have it here already. That was easy, guys. So 2 things I'm going to do right are, I will change the text style for this scene by clicking on Style, then Style Library, and select Retro Typewriter, just to show what's possible with the Pictory. And if you noticed, it's just background music playing. We'll need to generate a voiceover. Don't worry, you aren't recording your voice or using different text to speech software. All will be done here. Do you have a voiceover? You can also upload a voiceover file if you have one. I'll click on voiceover to generate one and choose a male voice. Now click on the apply button and you can choose to increase the speed of the voice. Feel free to play around with the voiceover and choose your preferred. I'm going to change some scenes to align with the script, and I will be fast about it. And there you go, guys. The video is ready. So click on the preview button to see what your video looks like before you download it. If you are satisfied with the video, then click on the download button to have it downloaded. And don't worry about the watermark. You wouldn't get it in the video. Now we have a professional video ready to be published. And here comes the most crucial part. Most people screw up this part, and they end up getting frustrated and saying affiliate marketing doesn't work. You see, for you to increase your chances of making a minimum of 7 sales per day as a beginner, you will need to drive more traffic to your offers. I'm going to show you a powerful website that will help you drive traffic to your offer with a click. This is not like a bot or anything like that. So you come over to this website, repurpose.io. So basically, what this website does is do the heavy lifting for you. It will automatically share your video across all social media platforms using the correct format for each platform with just a click. And in that way, you would not have to bother optimizing your video for all these social platforms. And the best part is that these social platforms are free traffic sources. So once you are logged in, you will be brought to this interface. Click on Connections, ensure you are under the Source section, then ensure you are under the Source section, then click on Add a New Connection. As you can see, there are several platforms here to promote your offers. Click on your desired social media platforms and sign into your account. It's pretty straightforward to get started with. I think you all should go check out the website and learn more. I will leave you with all the links to these websites in the description box. And remember what the strategy is. A minimum of 4 sales per day, and this is 101 achievable when you spread across multiple channels. But before we wrap this up, here comes this strategy you don't want to miss. It's very important that you pay attention to this because this is how you get to make a lot of sales per day. Now head over to ClickBank, Home and Garden section. And what you want to do is promote several offers related to pets. Now open these in a new tab and read about the product. This will guide you on how to position your links. This product helps promote a healthy dog with better digestion and higher levels of energy. That good. You want to have your notepad handy. Paste the product name and the product description. I mean its use. Go to the next product and do the next thing. The dog's calming code. This product is said to help you learn how to train your dog. Wild Belly Dog Probiotics is a dietary supplement, and I personally love this product. So you want to do this for the 3 products, and when you are done, you grab your affiliate links for each and paste them here. Now that we have enough offers to promote, you can go for more if you wish. The more your affiliate offers, the better for you. And when someone clicks on any of your links, it gets them straight to your affiliate offer. And when they make any purchase, you will get paid. Now you might be wondering, how can I post all these links in my bio? That's simple. You would need to handle your affiliate marketing business like a professional. So head over to this website, direct.me. It's similar to Linktree, and it's free to use. So sign up for an account. It's straightforward. I'm trying to keep this video really short. I wouldn't go to the website. But if you follow my step-by-step guide, you are sure to start making sales as soon as possible. Because you have irresistible offers, this will only cost you a few minutes of your time if you use this aid to automate everything. Just a quick recap of this strategy number 1. Get a product to promote, ClickBank or any other platform. 2. Get a script for Reels using ChatGPT or Syllabi.io. 3. Create a Reel video and voiceover using Pictory or any platform of your choice. 4. Promote your offer using Repurpose, or any platform of your choice. Remember, the goal is to make 4 sales per day. So let me know if you will take action by clicking the like button. This will prove that you really want to make a lot of money, and that will make me reveal more affiliate marketing strategy for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you know there are incredible benefits to owning a dog? Let's explore them together. Point 1. Health. Dogs are fantastic for your health. They keep you active and fit through regular walks and playtime. Plus, spending time with dogs can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Point 2. Happiness. Dogs bring immeasurable happiness into our lives. Their unconditional love and companionship brighten even the gloomiest of days. They remind us to find joy in the simple things and cherish the present moment. Point 3. Companionship. The companionship of a dog is truly remarkable. They provide unwavering loyalty and emotional support. Dogs understand our moods and offer comfort, reminding us that we are never alone on our journey. Embrace the wonderful bond that humans and dogs share, and let their presence enrich your life.